So this is not your regular puff puff or Boflot recipe. This is very delicious, and trust me, all your entire family are really going to enjoy it. So today I'm making egg and condensed milk puff puff using all-purpose flour. And so if this is your first time stopping by, hello, this is Cooking with Evia. Here I do share amazing recipes that you're going to love. So if this is what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Into my mixing bowl, I'll go in with some all-purpose flour. I'm using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Use self-raising flour if that is what you want, but for today I am concentrating on all-purpose flour. Okay, next I'll go in with half tablespoon of salt and also 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. I'll stir everything together very nicely until all is nice and well incorporated. Alright, so moving forward, I'll go in with 1.5 tablespoons of instant yeast. Use active dry yeast if that is what you want, but for the instant yeast, no need activating it. Okay, I will stir everything together, and for today, as I said, I'm going to be using condensed milk, but trust me, I don't want my puff puff or Boflot to become very heavy, I mean in a cake form. So I will dilute the condensed milk with a little bit of water. Yes, still the texture and the taste is going to taste like cake, but trust me, you're not making either buns or cake, so kindly note it. Okay, now let's stir everything together using the spatula until all is nice and well incorporated. I get a lot of comments about if my puff puff didn't turn out just like yours. Why? The question is, too much of everything is bad. So if you want to get a perfect puff puff, kindly check the description box for detailed explanation or for recipe, or you just have to listen to me very well because I don't want any stories again. Okay. And so as you can see, I didn't add in any sugar. It's because of the condensed milk, yes, but trust me, if you want to add in sugar, you are good to go. But I intentionally use the condensed milk to replace the sugar, so you can do whatever you want. Okay, everything I use in this recipe is totally to your taste, so you just have to adjust everything to your taste. Okay, now after stirring everything together and getting the right consistency as well, let's cover the dough for about 30 to 40 minutes in a cool dry place for it to prove very well. Okay, and after 40 minutes of resting the dough, as you can see, it has doubled in size very well, and that's what I'm looking for. So when I was preparing this puff puff recipe, I was doing something else alongside with this, so I forgot to add in vanilla essence, but trust me, it's not too late, my dear. So I'll go in with about half tablespoon of vanilla essence. It's never too late to add in the vanilla essence right now. All that is left for me is to mix it together very nicely and also to reduce the air in the dough as well. And as you can see, it's looking super stretchy. So at this point, if you are still with me and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this puff puff recipe as well. Thank you so much. Now let's heat up some cooking oil, and also we're going to fry on low medium heat until it turns into the perfect golden brown color. that I'm looking for. As always, I'm going to be using the catch and throw method. So now let's fry until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that I'm looking for. Kindly use any dropping technique that works perfectly fine for you. If you want to see more of the dropping techniques, I have a recipe for it on this channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. Okay, alright, so now let's drop the puff in the oil, and we're going to fry on low medium heat, as I said, until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that I'm looking for. As always, you should be checking it from time to time. Okay, now whilst we're waiting patiently for the puff to get ready, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for your lovely support towards this channel. Do also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And also do subscribe to my channel because it is absolutely free. Thank you so much. Alright, so now I've been frying the puff for about 10 minutes on low medium heat, and this is how it looks like right now. It's looking super golden and I love the outcome, trust me. Now let's give everything a very good stir, and right now it's time for me to remove my puff. It's looking super good, and trust me, it is amazing as well. All you have to do right now is to trust the process. Alright, so far our egg and milk puff recipe is ready. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. It turned out super good. Outside looks very crunchy and the inside was super soft. But trust me, it tastes just like cake and you're going to love it. All you have to do right now is to trust the process. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you once again for watching this video up to this point, and see you in my next upload. Bye.